The hummingbird is one of nature's most fascinating and beautiful creatures, renowned for its unique abilities and striking appearance. Belonging to the family Trochilidae, hummingbirds are tiny birds that captivate hearts with their dazzling iridescent plumage, rapid wingbeats, and unparalleled agility in flight. These birds are native to the Americas, ranging from Alaska to the southernmost regions of South America, with the highest diversity found in tropical areas such as Central America and the Andes of Colombia and Ecuador. Over 300 species of hummingbirds exist, each with distinct characteristics and behaviors, making them a remarkable example of nature's creativity. One of the most outstanding features of the hummingbird is its size. These birds are among the smallest in the avian world, with some species, like the bee hummingbird Melisuga helenae, measuring only 2 inches in length and weighing less than 2 grams. Despite their small stature, hummingbirds have incredible physical strength and stamina, allowing them to perform feats of flight that are unmatched by any other bird. They can hover in place, fly backward, and even dart vertically with astonishing speed and precision. This agility is made possible by their unique wing structure, which enables a full 360-degree rotation. Their wings beat at an extraordinary rate, up to 80 beats per second in some species, creating the characteristic humming sound for which they are named. Hummingbirds are often celebrated for their vibrant and iridescent plumage, which appears to change color depending on the angle of light. This shimmering effect is not due to pigments but rather the microscopic structure of their feathers, which refracts light like a prism. Colors range from brilliant emerald greens and fiery reds to deep blues and purples, making these birds a delight to observe in their natural habitats. Male hummingbirds are typically more brightly colored than females, a trait often associated with courtship displays. During the mating season, males perform elaborate aerial displays to attract females, showcasing their agility and vibrant plumage. The hummingbird's diet primarily consists of nectar, which they extract from flowers using their long, specialized bills and extendable, tube-like tongues. These birds play a vital role in pollination, as they transfer pollen from flower to flower while feeding, aiding in the reproduction of countless plant species. Hummingbirds are particularly attracted to brightly colored flowers, especially those in red, orange, and pink hues. In addition to nectar, they also consume small insects and spiders to meet their protein needs, making them both pollinators and insect controllers in their ecosystems. The energy demands of a hummingbird's lifestyle are immense. To sustain their rapid wingbeats and high metabolic rate, they must consume large quantities of food relative to their body weight, feeding several times an hour. A hummingbird's heart can beat over 1,200 times per minute during flight, and they breathe at a similarly rapid pace. At rest, however, they enter a state called torpor, where their metabolic rate drops significantly, allowing them to conserve energy during the night or in cold weather. This adaptation is crucial for their survival, as it prevents them from expending too much energy when food sources are unavailable. Hummingbirds are solitary creatures and are highly territorial, often defending their feeding territories aggressively. Despite their small size, they exhibit remarkable courage, fearlessly chasing away much larger birds or intruders from their preferred flowers or feeders. Their territories typically include abundant flowering plants, providing a reliable source of nectar. Some species, like the ruby-throated hummingbird Archilochus colubris, migrate vast distances, flying thousands of miles between their breeding grounds in North America and their wintering habitats in Central America. This long journey requires significant preparation, as they must accumulate fat reserves to sustain them during the arduous trip. The nesting habits of hummingbirds are equally fascinating. Females are solely responsible for building the nest, incubating the eggs, and raising the young. Their nests are small, often no larger than a golf ball, and are constructed with remarkable ingenuity. Using plant fibers, moss, and spider silk, they create a flexible structure that can expand as the chicks grow. The eggs are tiny, about the size of jelly beans, and usually numbered 2 per clutch. After hatching, the chicks are fed a diet of regurgitated nectar and insects until they are strong enough to fledge. Hummingbirds face numerous threats in the wild, including habitat loss due to deforestation, climate change, and competition for food resources. Pesticides and pollution further threaten their survival, as these factors reduce the availability of insects and flowering plants. Despite these challenges, many hummingbird species are resilient and adaptable, often thriving in urban and suburban environments where gardens and feeders provide ample food sources. Bird enthusiasts can help support hummingbird populations by planting native flowering plants, avoiding pesticides, and setting up hummingbird feeders filled with a sugar water solution. The cultural significance of hummingbirds cannot be overlooked. In many indigenous traditions, these birds symbolize joy, resilience, and love. They are often seen as messengers or spiritual beings, embodying the beauty and fragility of life. Their remarkable ability to hover and dart in all directions has inspired poets, artists, and scientists alike, making them a beloved subject in various forms of expression. Hummingbirds are truly a marvel of nature, embodying both strength and delicacy. Their vibrant colors, extraordinary flight capabilities, and ecological importance make them one of the most admired bird species in the world. Watching a hummingbird in action is an unforgettable experience that reminds us of the intricate beauty of the natural world. If you love nature and want to learn more about fascinating creatures like the hummingbird, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Nature World, where we share captivating stories and insights about the wonders of our planet. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us in celebrating the beauty of wildlife.